Hello crafty friends, this is Julia Fair and Fair's Craft Layer Independent Demonstrator with Stampin' Up! And I am here today with another YouTube Tuesday video for you and tutorial. Today we're going to be making this wonderful card, and I absolutely love snowflakes. Anybody who knows me, I absolutely die over snowflakes. Snowflakes is just my entire existence in winter. I will use them for about 6 months out of the year until it's totally unacceptable for me to use them anymore. But I absolutely love them so much. And this beautiful stamp set, Snow is Glistening, is only going to be available for the month of November. It's part of the Snowflake showcase that is going on. It's like a mini product suite that that Stampin' Up! Is putting together. And I absolutely love this. I am so excited. I very well may use the entire set just all month. Because I can't get away from snowflakes. I just love them so much. And it's really nice because there, aside from, you know, that this is more of a Christmas theme, the stamps that are in this are just, they can be also a winter theme, and that means that it's more usable throughout the season rather than just specifically for one holiday, which makes me even more happy because I love that. I have snowflake dishes in my kitchen. I have snowflake cups. I have snowflake jewelry. If you've never seen any of my snowflake jewelry, I absolutely love it, and it's one of my favorite things to make. I do a lot of wire jewelry aside from what I have here. But if you are looking to place an order with me, I still have some things that I had earned from Celebration way back in like February and March, and I have a limited supply of them. So with a $50 order, our special of the week this week is with a $50 order, you can choose one of my Celebration items that I have for free, and I will ship it out to you. So if you're interested in that or getting an order done, please let me know. Now, the big important thing is, this is YouTube Tuesday, and it's October 30th. It is not November yet. So this stamp set won't be available for another couple days. So if you end up looking at my blog and going, she doesn't have all the product supplies listed, well, I can't yet. I mean, I could try, but it doesn't mean that you're going to be able to click on it and go to my store like I usually do. So I opted to wait to put my supply list together for you guys so that you can actually get it when it's available. If you know that you'd like to pre-order, please contact me. I would be more than happy to get that set up for you, so that I can help you along with getting your ordering, and you don't have to worry about it. I do believe that these things are these supplies are going to be available only while supplies last. So it is important, if you love snowflakes as much as I do, you're probably going to want to get on this. So I'm using Shaded Spruce and Early Espresso inks. I don't know why I have that on there. That must have come on. Wow. Okay. Whatever. I just have random stickers on things. Okay. So I put a whole bunch of little rhinestones in the middle here of all of these, and I'm going to do that. I'm also going to do something a little different just to show you guys that there's a couple options. This is one of the dies in the Snowfall Thinlits dies that coordinate. There are 2 stamp sets that go with this set, okay? So one is more of a flowerish look, but they could be snowflakes, and the other is just, you know, more snowflakes in the stamp set. And I'll be showing you, I'm going to showcase the other stamp set, which it's called Happiness Surrounds. I'm going to showcase that next week. The stamp sets are so pretty on their own that they warrant being showcased on their own, and I didn't want it to be crammed all into 1 week. So there are actually 3 of these little guys, and I just die cut one of them out in the gold foil sheets. But I'm going to do something different in a little bit and show you guys how cool that can be. But I'm done stamping. Notice that I use my Stampin' Pierce mat. Ooh, having a card base would be good. Got so excited to show this to you guys, I forgot I needed a card base. Good thing I'm in my craft room. All right. So I know not everybody celebrates Christmas. In fact, there are a lot of winter holidays that most of us don't end up celebrating, or and I try to, being a music teacher, I try to be cognizant of that, because there are students who can't celebrate or can't sing things when I'm teaching. And while there are definitely pieces that I feel are important historically for kids to learn about, especially at some age, not necessarily elementary school, but just getting an understanding of what some of some other religions or other historical pieces may be. I have to always be cognizant of the fact that there are families who can't sing. There are kids that can't sing certain types of things. So I try to make sure that when I'm teaching, I have ways of sharing music without it being insensitive to different students' needs. And one of those layers is really off. Well, I'll show you how to fix that. I'm going to use the take your pick tool. But that's also why I love the snowflakes, because I can make thank you cards. I'm just going to use this guy. Haha. I've got a nifty trick. And it's sliding all over the place. Sorry, guys. If you have ever had a problem with this drives me crazy. But anyway, so one of the big reasons why I like snowflakes is it's something that I can use, and I can have songs about them, and I can have all sorts of things. Now, mind you, I still go caroling. I'm a part of the Oakwood Waits, and if you've read any of my blog, you'll know that that's one of my things that I absolutely love about the holiday season. But I also know that it's not everybody's thing. So I try really hard as a music teacher to make sure that what I'm doing is going to be helpful and useful to all. And at an elementary level, I focus on doing instrumental music, in part because of that. Because there's a lot of instrumental music that's really great, that is important for kids to learn about, but it doesn't necessarily have any religious beliefs behind it. Alright, so you can also use the take your pick tool to add these guys on, but that's not what I'm going to do. If you've been in my craft room, you know that I have a container with all of, like, a whole bunch of these rhinestones just chopped up. I've had rhinestones coming out my ears for quite a while now. Some time ago they went on sale, like a couple years ago, and so I've just been slowly but surely using up my stash, and I'm just going through and I'm using all the smallest ones on this one. It's not something that you had to do. On the other one I used graduated ones, so I did bigger towards the bottom and then smaller towards the top. But I'm just going on, there's a certain size that, I think that's the smallest I went. So I ended up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of them on there. More than I normally do, but that's okay. Alright, so I have 9 of those. I actually put 10 on here because I put another one up there. But we're going to do something different. And it's something easy, because some of you may not have a die cut, a big shot machine, and be able to do die cuts. So I wanted to show you, these are the snowflake trinkets. There are 2 different kinds in here, 2 different designs. They're both silver, and that's perfectly fine by me because I absolutely love silver. So this rounded shape and then more pointy shape, and they both have a little rhinestone in the middle. Perfect. Okay, so all I'm going to do is plug a glue dot on the back of that. So if you don't have a die cut machine, or even if you do and you just love these, I love, again, it's more snowflakes. Just give me more snowflakes all the time. And then I can put that guy up on the top here, and that glue dot's gonna hold him pretty secure, or he or she. It's a snowflake. All right, so that is our card for today, friends. And leave me a note. Which one do you prefer? Do you like the gold one better, or do you like the silver trinket? I certainly like both, but I would love to hear your opinion. And anyway, drop me a note if you have any questions or if you have anything that you need. And I'd love to hear from you. And I hope you have a crafty day. Bye.